party in my Uncle Carlos's house. He's my uncle. And there's my cousins right here. And there's my brother over there with his brown hair. There's a red shirt over there. Hope you guys enjoying it. We are relaxing on the campfire too. Yeah, and it is Christmas Eve. It is Sunday, 24th. Hope you guys are having a good Christmas and having a good Christmas party too. So yeah, we are just having fun. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. Then I hope I'll see you on Christmas Day. Goodbye. Say goodbye, everyone. Bye.
The holidays start here at Fry's with a variety of options to celebrate traditions old and new.